Hey you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the South, more specifically, my hometown of Waynesville, North Carolina. And every Wednesday, the town of Waynesville does a little something special. On Hump Day, they have a contest where you can find Wayne the camel because it's Hump Day. Wayne is an antique camel that the town found in storage. They're not sure where he came from. They suspect that he was brought over during the Folkmoot Festival, which is an international dance festival that they have during the summer. And so every Wednesday on their official Facebook page, they post a picture of Wayne next to something iconic or slightly iconic in Waynesville, North Carolina, or the surrounding area of Haywood County. And they have a contest to see who can figure out where Wayne is first. So I got up really early this morning because I wanted to be the one to find Wayne. And so at 8 o'clock, they uploaded the picture of Wayne, and 1 minute later, I answer because I think I know exactly where he was at. Of course, if you find Wayne, you get to have your picture taken with Wayne, and you get to have a Wayne t-shirt. So we're gonna see if we found Wayne. So here we are at Waynesville, North Carolina, Sulphur Springs Park, which I think was the location of Wayne this morning. The ground is actually extremely mucky and mushy here because of the springs themselves. So a little history of Sulphur Springs Park. This is the last remaining structure on the grounds of the famous resort, the White Springs Hotel. And it says it had many visitors, including Woodrow Wilson, who spent vacations here, enjoying the believed medical uses of the water. So it's like I guess they had the spring here. They believe it had healing properties. That fresh spring water right there. And here is the last structure of the White Sulphur Springs Hotel. Is this like little gazebo-like area. And you can see there's nothing left in this park. Probably all the buildings rotted away because of the spring water coming out underneath. All right, so if you look at this picture of Wayne that they posted this morning, I am about 100% sure it was taken right here. So like I said, I submitted my answer about a minute after they uploaded the picture. I'm pretty sure I won. I have not heard back yet. They have not declared anyone the winner. I don't know if they would like to give people a little bit of time to guess, but fingers crossed. I think we nailed it. All right, so the town of Waynesville has contacted me and let me know that I have won on Wayne's Wednesdays, Hump Day with Wayne the Camel. They have told me I did win. I got the correct answer in before anyone else. So I'm super excited. And they said tomorrow I can come in and pick up my Wayne t-shirt. I'm super excited about that. But right now, we got other things to be excited about because I've gotten this package here. And, let's see. All right. And yes, I did get this gentleman email me, letting me know what was coming. Let's see here. Got a little case here. And look at this. Oh, sorry, it's strapped in. Like everyone to meet, Possum 3. Look at that. This is a Mavic Air. It is super tiny. You could almost put that in your pocket. This is, I think, the newest drone by DJI. All my drones have been DJI. What is that? Oh, it's got like little landing gear that comes out. It, let's see, folds out. Then you put the landing gear down. This is a lot smaller than the DJI Mavic that Possum 2 was. And then, oh, we got a little door here for the gimbal. Don't want to break it. See how this comes off. Okay, here we go. It slides off. Oh, look at that. That's like a different type of gimbal there. So, yes. I will be entering the air very, very soon. Do you guys want to take this for a spin? All right, the time is upon us to claim our spoils as we go into the Waynesville Municipal Building and meet Wayne the Camel and obtain our reward. All right, so let's see, that's Wayne right there.
This is Wayne. I want you to hold him and I'm going to take a picture.
He's smaller than I thought.
I know. You know?
Spread the shirt out.
Yay!
There's Wayne.
And I want you to act like you're just really happy. Just stop! That's it.
All right, we have finally have to meet Wayne the Camel. I'm sure someday we will meet again, my little friend. All right, super excited. I've got the I Found Wayne t-shirt. This is the top prize here in Waynesville, North Carolina. And they also gave me this swag bag here. I haven't even looked to see what's in here yet. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is a drawing of, I know exactly where this actually isn't there anymore. This is the old movie theater. I took some photos of that before. You can see how it's was falling apart, and this is a cow field. Oh, that's really cool. This was by local artist Dominic DiPaolo. The Waynesville, North Carolina cup. Oh, another shirt here. It says Leaders in the Creek and Haywood Greenway Coalition. Oh, in the swag bag we have a second bag. You can never have enough bags to put your things. Oh, look at this. They got some official Waynesville mittens. And they're the cool mittens that can fold down and let your fingers come out. I haven't owned mittens in forever. Oh, a Waynesville pin. Maybe I can add this to the hat collection. And, what's this? This is Waynesville Police Department. Oh, it's a flashlight. Ah, look at that. It's a little flashlight, and it. Oh, you can use it as a strobe. I see. So if you had a car accident, you can put that on the ground. And there we go. And it even has a built-in lanyard. Got some pens. Can always use pens for writing. Some Town Waynesville pens. This is awesome. This was an awesome experience. The woman in there actually asked, like, how did you find it so fast? I did. I set my alarm. I woke up at 8 o'clock and I saw the picture. And most of them are really hard. Like, I've looked at the past ones and I couldn't figure out where any of them were without reading where they'd been found. But this one, the first one that I made an effort to try to find was something that I knew off the top of my head, that the Sulphur Springs Park there. I'd actually filmed a Civil War reenactment there like years ago for the channel, and I remembered the gazebo. So I got it at 8:01. She was like, "How did you know?" So This is awesome. What an experience. I would like to encourage anyone else in the Waynesville area to come and try to find Wayne. Every Wednesday at 8 o'clock, they post him, hump day for Wayne the Camel. They post his location, and then it's up to you to try to figure out where he's at. I may try to find him again. I've got that itch. I got to find Wayne every week and then have a collection. Maybe I'll collect all different colors of the I Found Wayne t-shirt. So this is awesome. Appreciate you guys watching. If you'd like to see other camels I found, as well as other places I've been, roadside attractions, amusement parks, museums, all that information is in the description. If you'd like to contribute to the channel, consider buying a t-shirt. Consider donating to Patreon. For this month, April 1st, Patreon, $10 Patreons will be that are charged on April 1st will receive a authentic Carpetbagger flattened, smashed penny with my face on it. But for now, this one's in the bag.